So some of you did great on the quiz. Great. Watch this just to double triple. But some of you struggled, and it's because they're so similar. These two problems are exactly the same in the sense that you factor, 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 cross things off. So let me start by factoring this. The only way to get the 2, let me zoom in a little bit, is to either put the 2 here and the 1 here, or the 2 here and the 1 here. Well, I know that if I go a 1 and a 1 and a 6, that'll give me a 7. So the 1 goes here, the 2 goes here. 2 negatives make a positive. This one's square root. Okay. Let me cross this off now so I can keep track. They both divide by 5. Oops, and there's a whole bunch of x's that they have the same. So I'd be left with x. Oops, okay, I'm doing awesome. I'd be left with 3x plus 1. And they both have a 4 in common and an x. So I'd be left with 2 minus x. Okay, factor, factor, factor. What do I do next? Cross things off. These are the same thing, but backwards, -1. Another mistake some of you made. This x is being multiplied and this x is being multiplied. They're doing the exact same thing. That means you can cross off 2 more on the top. And then if you look, I'm left with a -1, 5x squared, and a 4 on the bottom. -5x squared over 4, no restrictions. Now before I factor, 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 cross things off, I need to flip. So that means this is going to go on top. And this is going to go on bottom. So they both have a 9 and they have 5 x's in common. Factor this, they both have a negative. X squared plus 1. They both have a 15 and a whole lot of x's. Now I can start crossing things off. Factor, factor, factor. Cross things off. Those are exactly the same, and I can't even factor them anymore. All right? Now let's look here. I have 3 7x's on top. I have 8, 5, 13 on bottom. So that means I have 6 more left on the bottom. Some of you guys forgot this x plus 1. And now let's look at the numbers. We have -6, 9, 12, and 15. Some people get confused, so it might be easier. Let me move this over. If you want to go -6, oops, not -16, -6, 12, and then 15, 9. And it might be easier, I don't know. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. And now multiply. -8 over 15. Where x cannot equal 0, x cannot equal -1. Okay? So, the first two, let me zoom out a little bit. The first two were factor, 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 cross things off. Then these next two are make the bottoms the same. Okay? So the great thing is the bottoms already are the same. So when the bottoms are the same, change the signs of everything to the right. Put that together. Keep the bottoms. Keep the bottoms. Okay? You got to know we can do more than that. So you take out a 2. And now by. And most of you got that. But you got to know it's more than just putting the same together. Now the problem is, here the bottoms are not the same. So if they are not the same, I need to make them the same. So that has an x minus 4. I need to give this an x minus 4. This has an x plus 2. So does this. Now they're even. That means I know my denominator will be x minus 4, x plus 2. Okay, so look at that. There's my bottom. Keep it. Now, if you look, nothing changed over here. 3x. Then these two, I box it out, and I get plus x squared minus 3x minus 4. Now I'm going to take that whole top and put some stuff together. Remember how in this one, okay, let me tell you the differences between the first two and the last two. In the first two, factor, 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 cross things off. So everything gets factored in the beginning. Here, sometimes you can factor in the beginning and sometimes you can factor in the end, but you never factor in the middle. You never cross things off in the middle. It's at the end. So by x minus 2 on top, x minus 4 on the bottom, where x cannot equal 4. Okay? So now let's get into solving. What is the difference between solving and the other ones? The solving, we want the bottoms to go away. So we want to see what they all have. So this one has a 2, an x, and x. This one has an x and x, and this one has a 2 and an x. So if this one had another x and this had a 2, we'd be good to go, right? Because see, it'd be all the same. Oops, I better do something first. Change the signs of everything to the right. So I'm going to be giving a 2x. I'll write it as 2x squared, but you can write it as 2xx. This is going to get a 2x squared, and this is going to get a 2x squared. Okay? Let me erase this so it doesn't confuse you. Now, what does that mean? This is gone. Boom. You're left with x plus 4. Maybe I'll just use a pen. Okay? No more denominator. Plus, the x squared is gone. Distribute, distribute. Oops, negative 4x plus 24 equals by, oops, sorry, there's still an x left over, equals x. Now, since all I have are x's, put these together, negative 3x plus 28 equals x, move the x over, and the only extraneous solutions are 0, so 7 works. Okay? Remember, the bottoms need to be the going away. So, this has an x plus 2, give it to everything. Oh, this already has an x plus 2, so I don't need to give it again. Give an x plus 3. Not as neat with pen. And then I look over here, I already gave an x plus 3. So now I can cross things off. Distribute, distribute. Look over here. Everything is gone. All I'm left with is plus 2. This is gone. Distribute, distribute. Now I set it equal to 0. And now this part is no problem. So I get 4 and negative 2. But the problem is, if I plug negative 2 in there, it's extraneous. So it is not a solution. The answer is x equals 4. Okay? Circle all the values that make it undefined, so I better factor. And then this I can square root. Okay. So, I know if I set the denominator equal to 0, I have 1, 2, 3 extraneous solutions. Negative 4, 4, and 0. And those of you that go, but this goes away, I understand, but you'll learn about something called a hole, and you'll figure out why. It's technically also an extraneous solution. Okay. Last one, this one is factor, factor, factor. Cross things off. If you're struggling here, please get better at factoring. Okay, so I did all my factoring. By. 6, by. These are the same, but backwards, negative 1. I'm left with this, and this. This distributes to negative m minus 9 and m plus 2. Hopefully that helped out.